Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code by Vansh, and today we are going to solve the question Sudoku solver. So in this question we have to write a program to solve Sudoku puzzle by filling the empty circles or the empty cells. A Sudoku solution must satisfy all the following values. Each of the digit 1 to 9 must occur exactly once in each row. Each of the digit 1 to 9 must occur exactly once in each column, and so on. The empty character indicates the empty cell. Okay, so what I am actually going to solve, how I am actually going to solve in this question. First, this is my board. This is my board. So what I am going to do, I am just going to traverse it from this position, from row wise, and while I am traversing it from row wise, I will look at this value. It is empty. So what I am going to do, I am going to put number in it. Okay, I am going to put number in it. First, I will traverse it row wise. Then I am going to put number in it. After I put number in it, I will check either it is valid or not. If it is not valid, I am not going to do anything. Okay, I don't have to do anything. But if it is valid, then what I am going to do, I am just going to insert the value inside this, insert the number inside this box or cell. I will call the function, which is actually the board itself, because it has this modified value. And after I do this, if at any position it will give us wrong answer, we have to backtrack. And for backtrack, I will just pop it like I inserted. So that's how I pop it. So these are the three things I have to do in order to solve this question. So it will be a very easy question. Now let's move to the coding part. Okay. In the coding part, here you can see that I am just doing the same thing. I am just traversing through the row, and if it is empty, then I have this choices, because empty position can fill from 1 to 9 position, 1 to 9 numbers. Okay, so how I am going to check if it is 1 or 9 or something? Okay, so it is actually this function which is going to tell me either I can place 1 to 9 number or not. So how I am going to do this, I am actually going to check if this is my empty cell. I am going to check row wise, this wise, and my box wise, because in Sudoku, if I have a box like this, this is my box, if this is my box, then I can fill like this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, so I can fill like this. Okay, now how I am going to know which box I am at? So it is really easy. It is actually a formula which is like this. So you can learn it like row always has division while column always has modulus. So in order to solve for column, it is always modulus, and for row it is actually division. So these are the two things. After we know if it is true, this means we can put it. And if we can put it, I am just going to put I and j inside this C, and then I am going to check for the value. If it is true for the next value, I am going to return true. Okay, without anything. But if it is not true, then I am actually going to backtrack, and I am going to backtrack. I will put this dot here, and I will just go and upward. After I go upward, and if it will reach at this position, this means that the code is actually not working and it is actually giving us false answer. So that's why I'm just giving false as answer. So I hope you like the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.